हे गाइस, वेलकम टू द मैकेनिकल सेक्शन। आज हम आपके लिए यूजीवीएनएल का प्रीवियस ईयर का क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व करेंगे और इसका फर्स्ट पार्ट है। कम टू द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। पहला क्वेश्चन है, द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मास एंड वेलोसिटी इज नोन एज। यू हैव फोर ऑप्शन। फर्स्ट वन इज ए इम्पल्स, बी मोमेंटम, सी पावर, डी वर्क। सो गाइस, राइट आंसर इज बी मोमेंटम. Next question is, the coefficient of friction depends on. You have four option. A, area of contact, B, shape of surface, C, strength of surface, D, nature of surface. So your right answer is D, nature of surface. Third one is, angle of friction is the. You have four option. A, angle between normal reaction and the resultant of normal reaction and the limiting frictional force. B, ratio of limiting friction and normal reaction. C, ratio of static and dynamic friction. D, none of these. So guys, your right answer is first one, A, angle between normal reaction and the resultant of normal reaction and the limiting friction force. Next question is fourth one, a machine is one that. You have four option. A, transfer motion, B, does useful work, C, have relative motion between links, D, have a number of members. So guys, your right answer is option C, have relative motion between links. Come to the next question. The ratio of linear stress to the linear strain is called. You have four option. A, modulus of rigidity, B, modulus of elasticity, C, bulk modulus, D, Poisson ratio. So guys, your right answer is option B, modulus of elasticity. Sixth question is, limiting force of friction is defined as the frictional force which exists when a body. You have four option. A is moving with maximum velocity, B is stationary, C just begin to slide over the surface, C none of these. So your right answer is option number C, just begin to slide over the surface. Seventh question is, if the bulk modulus is K, modulus of elasticity is E, Poisson ratio is 1 upon m, then which of the following is true? You have four option. A, E equal to 3k 1 plus 2 by m, B is E equal to 3k 1 minus 1 by m, C is equal to, C option is E equal to 3k 1 minus 2 by m, D, E equal to 3k 1 plus 1 by m. So guys, your right answer is option B, E equal to 3k 1 minus 1 by m. Next question is, the value of Poisson's ratio is always. You have four option, more than 1, B is 1, C is less than 1, D is none of these. So guys, your right answer is C, less than 1. Come to the next question. The velocity ratio of Weston's differential pulley is. You have four option. A, 2 capital R by capital R minus R, B, 2 small r by capital R minus R, C, capital R by capital R minus R, D, capital R by 2 capital R minus R. So guys, your right answer is option A, 2 capital R by R minus R. 10th question is, in first system of pulley, the mechanical advantage is equal to. You have four option. A, 2n minus 1, B, 2 raised to power n, C, n, D, 2 raised to power n minus 1. So guys, your right answer is option B, 2 raised to power n. 11th question is, Bow's notation is used to indicate. You have four option. Option A, force, option B, movement, option C, pressure, option D, velocity. So guys, your right answer is option A, forces. Next question is, in thin cylindrical shell, the value of circumference stress as compared to longitudinal stress is. You have four option. A is equal, B is double, C is triple, D is none of these. So guys, your right answer is none of these. Come to the next question. In comparison of rolling friction, the value of sliding friction is, you have four options: A more, B less, C equal, D double. So your right answer is option A, more. Next question is, the unit of movement is, you have four options. Option A Newton per meter, B Newton meter, C Newton per meter square, D Newton meter per second. So your right answer is option B, Newton meter. 15th, the ratio of limiting force and the normal reaction is known as, you have four options. Option A coefficient of friction, B angle of friction, C angle of repose, D frictional resistance. So guys, your right answer is option A, coefficient of friction. Next question is, which one of the following is not a unit of energy? You have four options: A Newton meter, B kilokelvin, kilocalorie, C watt, D watt hour. So guys, your right answer is watt hour. Next question is, in case of concurrent and coplanar forces, the condition of equilibrium is, you have four options. Summation of horizontal forces is 0, summation of vertical forces is 0, summation of movement is 0. Option B horizontal summation of horizontal forces is 0, summation of vertical forces is 0. Option C summation of horizontal forces is 0, summation of vertical forces is not equal to 0. Option D horizontal forces is 0, summation of movement is 0. So guys, your right answer is option first, horizontal forces are 0, summation of vertical forces are 0, summation of movement are 0. Now come to the next question. 18th, movement of inertia of a body does not depend upon, you have four options. A mass of the body, B distribution of mass in the body, C axis of rotation of the body, D angular velocity of body. So guys, your right answer is D angular velocity of body. 19 है, a body is simple harmonic motion will have maximum velocity when its amplitude is A maximum, B negative maximum, C 0 and D average. So guys, your right answer is average. 20th question, a simply supported beam AB of length 9 meter carries a uniformly distributed load of 10 kilonewton per meter for a distance of 6 meter from end A. What are the reaction forces at A and at B? So you have four options. A 40 Newton and 20 Newton, B 60 Newton and 20 Newton, C 20 Newton and 60 Newton, D 30 Newton and 50 Newton. So guys, your right answer is option A, 40 Newton and 20 Newton. So guys, please like, share and for आगे की सीरीज देखने के लिए, पार्ट्स देखने के लिए, पूरा पेपर देखने के लिए प्लीज़ टच में रहिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए. बाय बाय, टेक केयर.